Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add AI chat in Wix website. Before starting work, is my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So we are going to add Wix AI chat. So first we are going to install apps. On left side you see add app. So click on it. Then in search app write AI chat Wix. Now you see Wix AI site chat, so click on it. Now you see Wix AI site chat by Wix. So we are going to use this, and then you see add to site, so click on it. Now you see adding Wix AI site chat. Now you see edit, get in touch, you see multiple options. Now you see setting, test the AI chat. So first we are going to do some settings, so click on setting. Now you see main, you see multiple options. Now you see Wix AI site chat. Let AI chat with visitor, answer question, capture lead. Now you see two buttons. So first click on manage the AI chat. So we are in setting communication channel AI site chat. Now you see AI chat is inactive. So first enable this option, and then you see your site AI chat is active. You see pop up. Got it. Now you see changes saved. So we are in setting. Now you see online chat or. Now you see two options. When the AI site chat is turned on, keep it online 24/7. If you want, you can set custom or. Now you see. So you can edit or, so it's up to you. So we select keep it online 24/7. And then you see when the AI site chat is offline, you see multiple option again. Show the AI chat on my site. Now you see three options. Collect lead with a contact form and let visitor write chat messages. Hide the contact form but let visitor write chat messages. Collect lead with the contact form but don't allow visitor to write chat messages. So you can select option according to requirement. So this option only work when AI site chat is offline, but we select this option, keep it online 24/7. So we don't need this option. But when we select set custom hours, then you can select this option according to requirement. So this option only work when the AI site chat is offline. And then you see hide the AI chat on my site. Again you see another option, open the AI site chat widget auto when visitor enter my site. If you want, you can enable this option. Now you see auto launch AI site chat on entry to enhance visitor interaction. So we enable this option. And then you see chat intro message. Write an initial chat message to start the conversation. So you can add message according to requirement. Now you see hello, welcome to our website. I am your AI chat. So you can customize this message according to requirement. Add a legal disclaimer in the chat. If you want, you can add it. Now you see, so it's up to you. And then you see write an initial chat message for your visitor when the AI chat is offline. So if you set custom or, then you can enable this option. Then add your custom message for your customer when AI chat is offline, but we open 24/7. And then you see contact form. Set when to collect contact info for new visitor. Send the form to new visitor only in the chat when the AI chat is unable to answer visitor question. Okay. Enable this option. Our visitor asks to chat with a real person. Enable this option. And then you see choose form field name, email, phone number, message. So this is a preview. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then click on save. Now changes saved done. And then you see quota. So click on it. And then you see your plan free trial. If you want, you can upgrade plan. So in free plan, chat conversation 50. Once your quota is reached, your offline chat setting will apply. And then you see AI training rules. You can add up to 10 custom AI training rule with your current plan. So we are using free trial. If you want, you can upgrade this plan. So click on it. And then you see training rules, test chat. So click on training rules. And then you see improve the AI response with training rules. So you can create new rule. So click on it. And then you see choose a type of training rule, add knowledge, restrict response. So you can read instruction for both. Now you see add knowledge. If you want, you can add some extra detail about anything on your site, so the AI know how to respond. Then you see restrict response. Explain to the AI which topic on your site you don't want it to discuss with visitor, so you can add some restriction by using this option. So click on add knowledge next, and then you see enhance the chat knowledge. So you can add knowledge name, what knowledge enhance the chat. You can upload PDF and then click on save. Now you see example name, premium benefit, knowledge. Now you see example store location, for example, and then you see message placeholder text. When visitor ask about our offline location, tell them we don't have a physical store. So we are going to add our knowledge. Now you see we added knowledge name, digital marketing services, and then you see some text we added. Our digital marketing agency offer a 60-day money back guarantee on services. So you can add message according to requirement and then click on save. Now you see analyzing your information. Knowledge rule is saved. Now you see edit. So you can add more rules, create rule, and then you can add more. So you can create 10 rules. So you can add AI training rules according to requirement, and then you see test chat. So click on it. And then you see test the AI site chat. So we are going to add some question. Type your question. So we added this question and then press enter. Now wait for response. Now you see this website offer a range of services including website design, development, e-commerce solution, digital marketing strategy. Now you see message. So you can add training rules according to requirement for this AI site chat. Now we added one more question. Press enter. So you can test AI chat according to requirement, and then you can add training rules according to requirement. Now close. Again you see test the AI chat, so click on it. Again open this section dashboard. Now close. And then you see layout, so click on it. Now you see position left, right, default width, height. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see text, AI site chat, type your message, chat with AI, get in touch. So you can add text according to requirement. Now you see design, so click on it. Now you see header, background, messages, input field, minimize chat. So you can set color scheme according to requirement. Now you see background, shadow opacity. Now you see messages, visitor messages, color scheme, paragraph, background, AI site chat messages. So you can do color scheme and styling according to requirement. And then you see sports, so click on it. Now close. And then you see test the AI chat also. Again open same option dashboard. Now you see. Now close and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So when we open our website, now you see chat auto open. Now you see message. Now write hello. Now waiting for response. Now you see. So this is our AI site chat in Wix. Now you see I am doing great. Thanks for asking. So you can train this AI site chat according to requirement. So you can add training rules, and we are using free version. Now you see again. This is AI generated message by using Wix. So this AI site chat will appear on both desktop, mobile and all devices. So when we open our website, this AI site chat auto open. Now you see we added question for AI site chat digital marketing services, and then you see response. So this response we added using training rule. Now you see. Now back to Wix editor. Now you see chat with AI. So click on it and then you see settings. So again click on it. Now you see the AI chat is currently online. Now you see manage the AI chat. So click on it. So we are in setting. Now you see AI chat is active on your site. You see test chat, training rules. Now you see quota. Now you see conversation 1. And then click on training rules, create rule. Now you see restrict responses. So click on next. Now you see restrict the chat topic, name, which topic should the chat ignore, and then how should the chat respond to this content. Ask the visitor to contact me, and then you see another option, say you can't answer question about this topic. So you can add information according to requirement and then click on save. So it's up to you. Again click on setting. Now you see online chat or 24/7. If you want to offline, then you can select this option. Set custom or chat intro message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.